Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well. I'm just setting up this camera, trying to get this picture back in better. There we go. This is going to be my next build. It is from another new model making company, kit manufacturer. Let's get rid of that. It is D.Modelkits. This is their Ford Sierra Cosworth 4x4, the Ford Sierra Sapphire. After the drop of the RS 200 in Group B and Ford only having a rear-wheel drive Sierra Cosworth, they needed a four-wheel drive car. They'd already built the Cosworth Sapphire rear-wheel drive, so they made a 4x4 version, donated mainly by the grills in the bonnet to evacuate heat. So they also had the engine from the RS 500 available as well for extra power. This is the kit of the car that debuted on the Monte Carlo Rallye, sponsored by Q8 Oils, driven by Francois Delacour, Alex Fiorio, who would be hired as the tarmac specialist, and Britain's Malcolm Wilson with Nicky Grist, who later went on to be co-drivers with not only Conor McRae but also Juha Kankkunen. No, that was the box, not me. Right, first thing, instruction pamphlet. It's very good. It's very thick. It's a proper booklet, as you can see. All your paints are called out. Everything's very clearly detailed. And then when we're going, all the instructions to build the model are clear. I like the way it's laid out brilliantly. We have the decals. For the back of the seats, the carbon Kevlar, Q8 oils, the blue sections, numbers, the number plates, roundels from the wheels, the aero covers to direct cooling air into the brakes, Pirelli, and seat belts. But on the seat belt fronts, I'm not going to take these out of the box, you have the red ribbon. There's also a photo etch kit and some foil decals in there for the Sierra badges, RS Cosworth. There's even, don't know if you can see that, a dinky little metal aerial for on the top of the car. One Sierra Sapphire body shell. All very nice and crisply moulded. I'm looking forward to doing this kit as much as I did the Monte 400. There's one of the little foil patches. Let's get that in the right baggie. The rubber wheels and the little rubber grommets to hold the wheels into the hub assemblies. Clear sections, nicely moulded. Even got the heater elements into the rear screen. Very impressed with that. I mean, a lot of people have been saying that this hobby is on its feet. With the Modelkits model, and looking at this kit as well, I think it's actually on the up. We just need to get more young people interested in doing things like this. Sprue with all the roll cages on. And on this one we have the hubs, suspension. I think that's a guard for underneath, some guard, steering wheel, steering column. There's gear shifters, there's the pedals, pedal box, towing eyes. That's what the car driver puts his feet on in the cab. Seats, suspension uprights, drive shaft, rear axle. That's the sun guard. Another bit of axles. That's the rear. Actually, that's the front. That'll be the front underneath the engine. The transfer box. Dashboard. Headlight pod, spotlight pods. Rear spoiler. That's where the wipers go on. Side skirts. And the final one in the box is this chassis, and there is a lot of fine moulding on that, really impressive. Door cards, cabin section, front bumper, rear bumper, brake discs, what I keep calling the aero guards. They're fitting the outside of the wheels to draw more cooling air onto the brake discs, only on the front, and the wheels. The kit calls out for 2 makes of paint. Fire scale, which I hadn't heard of at the time when this kit come out of. They are available now. And zero paints, which are made in just outside Gloucester in the UK. But when I ordered the kit, I ordered these because I pre-ordered this kit. These are number 5 paints. This is the Sierra Q8 cream version. And the Q8 dark blue for the main body. How they spray, I don't know. I've never used them before, but we'll soon find out. And I'm going to take my time with this kit, and hopefully it comes out well. Anyway, thank you very much. Like and subscribe if you would, please. And have yourselves a great day. Bye.